In this video, we will teach you how to perform column addition with two-digit numbers. First, place the two numbers to be added one above the other. The position doesn't matter, you can put the smaller one above or below the larger one. However, it's crucial to align the tens and units digits. You can draw vertical lines to help you at the beginning, but it's not mandatory. Next, draw a horizontal line below the second number and add the addition sign, plus. Now, you can start adding the units. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Note the result below the vertical line. However, since we will need the space reserved for the tens, we cannot write the 1 in that place. Therefore, the 1 representing a 10 should be written above the other tens, above the 6. This is what we call a carryover. Typically, a carryover is written in small handwriting, just above the main numbers. Now, let's move on to adding the tens. 67 has 6 tens and 85 has 8. 6 plus 8 equals 14. Don't forget to add our extra 10, which we noted above the 6. This gives us a total of 15 tens. Note the 5 in the tens column and the 1 in the hundreds column, as 15 tens actually equal 105 tens. And there you have it, our calculation is complete. 67 plus 85 equals 152. Now, let's add 98 and 79. First, align the numbers vertically. Let's start with the units column. 8 plus 9 equals 17. Write down 7 in the units column and carry over the 1 to the tens column. Now, moving to the tens column. 9 plus 7 equals 16, plus the carried over 1, equals 17. Write down 7 in the tens column and carry over the 1 to the hundreds column or write it directly under the horizontal line, like we did in the first example. So, 98 plus 79 equals 177. Thank you for watching our video all the way through, and feel free to subscribe to continue learning mathematics easily.